Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we are dealing with the question why our lives are disorderly. Human beings feel inwardly insecure. Where we will get security in our life. Every human being searches for this, but we don't get it very easily. In our life, we find so many disorders, like we are being aggressive, ruthless, being violent, greedy, etc. All the human beings are faced with these disorders. Since our lives are being disorderly, we feel insecure inwardly. Now, how to find order in our life? That is the most important question. Because where order is there, there we will find security. So our life needs order and security. Disorders are created by our own mind. Hence, we are to be aware of our own thoughts. All the human beings are created in the same way. But when we are in relationship with other human beings, disorders are created. We are being aggressive with other human being. Except human beings, nowhere in the existence we find disorders. The whole existence is in order. Only our lives are in disorder. We are very much violent with other human beings. So to have goodness in life or a life filled with virtues, our life must be orderly. We cannot face the order directly. We cannot bring about order directly. We have to understand what are the disorders. We must first understand the disorder in us. For that, we have to observe very closely. When we observe very closely, we will find that we only create the disorders. Not only we create disorders in ourselves, being in touch with others, we are the reason for the disorders. We don't consider others as fellow human beings. They are also created as we have been created. Our life is fragmentary. We divide the human beings. There is no reason to divide the human beings. What is a necessity? Out of insecurity, we do all these kind of things. The ultimate reality of life is that life must have order. In order only security we can find. So we must have total energy to observe the disorders in our life. When we observe our own life closely, we will go beyond all disorders. The society's morality is always immorality. It encourages people to be greedy, aggressive, ruthless, and so on and so forth. We have been trying to do this. Hence, we are in conflicts everywhere. So to avoid or go beyond the conflicts, we must observe our own thoughts. Then our lives will be orderly. Then we will be secured. Then our life will have virtue. That will be a righteous life. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video explaining another one aspect of life.